Okay, so what I'm going to talk about is soldering, and typically whenever you're soldering, during you only need it for extending wires, unless you have and one of the things is you want to remember is when soldering is don't just take the solder and touch the tip. You don't want to do that typically. You want to basically put the wire, or you want to heat up the wire itself when you melt the solder, and this will allow the wire itself to get solder on it. And I'm doing exactly what I said not to. And this will allow you to connect two wires together, and there we go. So now that there's a silver tip on, or a tinned is what it actually is tin, but silver looking tip on it, now you can take two pieces of wire and solder them together. That's hot. This will help keep wires together. Now there are multiple ways you can hook wires together, whether it be by soldering like this, or by using other things like screw caps, or specialized wires and screw caps. And once it's done being connected, it's ready to use, and then use this. I'm going to get this connected, so we'll just be recording me as I try getting this wire connected. Okay, so now that they're held together by the solder, and a good method to doing this is either heat shrink tubing or electrical tape. Heat shrink is a little bit nicer because once you cool down the wire a little bit, or have it cool down itself, you can just take a torch like this and heat it up, and it will fuse or fall down nicely onto the wire. The electrical tape, you can do this. It's a poor job, but it works. And this will hold it, or make sure it's held together, and it will prevent any wire touching, or wire-to-wire connections that you don't want. Thanks for watching.
Yay!